Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing you a tutorial about a problem that we are facing in sometimes. The problem is PC's display turns into black and white color. So it's a very easy solution. Now we are sharing with you why this type of problem happen. So please watch my full video to solve this problem very easily. So first of all, to solve this problem we need to write in search box TURN, turn. Then we saw that a turn color filter on or off. So this section we click, then page is coming. Okay, so use color filter, turn on color filter. So this section in this button is on. That's why our PC turns black and white. So when we turns it off, then our PC's display turns into our colorly and change it. So it's a very easy solution. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon. Thank you.